Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how you can add the best filtering system to your WordPress website. At the end of this video, we will have created the filtering system as it shows on screen now. The same filtering system can be applied to either e-commerce sites or to any listing websites. For this tutorial today, I am going to use the affiliate listing blog website I have created for my tutorials. I remind you the website WPGoPro.club is an affiliate website and lists car covers from Amazon and eBay. If you haven't seen the previous videos of this series and you would like to watch them, I am going to leave the links in the description below. For this demo, I am using the installed plugins, Elementor Pro, and from Crocoblock, I am using the JetEngine and JetSmartFilters plugins. In the whole series, I have also used the plugin, JetBlog, again from Crocoblock. If you want to learn more about the plugins, I am going to leave the links in the description below. They are affiliate links, so if you purchase the plugins using the links, I may receive a small commission. However, there is no additional charge to you. This helps me continue to create the free content that I publish. My name is Nick, and I am on the team at WPGoPro.com. We assist you with improving your WordPress skills so you can make more money for yourself, your clients, and your business. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, give the video a thumbs up so Google knows it was helpful to you. Let's get started with the video now. So, this is our listing blog, WPGoPro.club as it is now. It contains a number of car cover posts, which we created in the previous video 1 week ago. Let's go to the dashboard to see how they are there. The car cover posts are custom posts created by using the JetEngine plugin. So I go to the JetEngine section and I click on Post Types. Then I click on Car Covers. This is our custom post type, and in the meta field section you see all fields added to this custom post. We are going to use some of these fields in the filtering system. Let's start by building the filtering system. Go to the Elementor theme builder. Now click to edit with Elementor the default car covers archive template. I am opening it on another tab, so we can come back to the dashboard later. Search for the sorting filter and drag it on the page right above the title. Now, in the left column, select JetEngine in the field this filter for. In the next field, apply type, the Ajax value is fine. That means to execute the searching query without reloading the page. In the next field, apply on, we are supposed to choose if we want the user to click on an apply button, or better the system automatically brings the data. So, just select value change, which is better for the user, and disable the show apply button option. Query ID is used in the case of multiple sorting filters, where the ID would help the plugin to locate which filter to update. Now click on the sorting list. I am going to delete the default sorting lists and keep only the first one. Now I am changing the title to by title from A to Z. In the field order by, the post title is already selected as well as the order is ascending, which are both fine. Now, I duplicate this list and I am going to modify the title to by title from Z to A. So we want the same sorting by title, but in descending order this time. Again, I duplicate this list and I am going to modify the title to by release date from newest to oldest. In the order by field, select the meta key. In the key field, we need the slug value of the meta field date first available. So let's go back to the dashboard and check our custom post, car covers. Okay, it's date hyphen, first hyphen available. Just copy it from here. Paste it in the key field. The order field is descending, which is fine. Now duplicate this listing and create the reverse sorting order of the meta field date first available. The title should be by release date from oldest to newest. The order field should be ascending this time. Again, duplicate this listing and create a sorting list for the price. The title should be Price from Lowest to Highest. In the Order By field, select Meta Key Numeric. In the Key field, type in Price. The order field should be ascending. Again, duplicate this listing and create the reverse sorting order of the Price Meta field. The title should be By Price, from highest to lowest. In the Order By field, leave it as Meta Key Numeric, and in the Key field, leave it as Price. The order field should be descending this time. Click to update the template and let's see on our live website how the sorting field works. I refresh the page and let's test the sorting field. First, I checked the sorting by title, which looks fine. As you see, the car covers are sorted by their title. The second test is by release date, which again looks fine, and the car covers are sorted by their release date. Sorting the car covers posts both in ascending and descending order works fine. Finally, sorting by price, which again helps to sort all posts by their price either in ascending or descending order. As you can see, the price filter works fine as well. Let's now return to the dashboard. I am going to show you another type of filter. Click on Smart Filters in the left column. Click Add New. Type Automobile Type as the filter name, the filter label and the active filter label. Select Checkboxes List in the Filter Type field. In Data Source, select Taxonomies. In Taxonomy, select Automobile Type. Most of the time, the relational operator should be union. This comes from mathematics, and it means that the filter should give all values if more than one checkbox is selected by the user. Because we don't have any children under the automobile type taxonomy, leave the field Show Only Children of Current Term disabled. You may enable the Group Terms by Parents, although as I said, we don't have children for this taxonomy. Is checkbox meta field should be enabled if you need to filter data from a checkbox meta field type. In this case, just leave it disabled. We don't want to exclude or include anything else, so leave it disabled as well. There is nothing in the query settings field because the query variable is set automatically for taxonomy search filters. In the case of an e-commerce website, you may use fields like the ones here at the bottom of the page. That's all we had to do to define the search filter. So, click on Publish. Let's go back to the Elementor template builder. Open up with Elementor the default car covers archive. At the bottom of the left column, locate the checkbox filter. Drag it onto the page, inside the left section. In Select Filter, search for the Automobile Type filter. In this filter select JetEngine. As you can see, the filter is already active on the page. We don't have to make any changes in the Additional Settings section. We may do some styling from the Style section. For example, I may change the font size and make it 14 pixels. Now, I am going to make the filter label visible from the Content section. And make it stand out by making it bold. So I am changing its weight to 600. Click to update the page. Let's go to Live and check our filter. We have 6 car cover posts in our database. Let's use the checkboxes to filter them. By checking the Pickup Truck checkbox, I get only 2 car covers suitable for pickup trucks. We can try any combination for more extensive testing, but everything seems to be fine. Let's go back to our dashboard to create another filter. Click Add New. Type Protection Type as the filter name, the filter label and the active filter label. Select Checkboxes list in the Filter Type field. In Data Source, select Taxonomies. In Taxonomy, select Protection Type. The relational operator should be union. Enable the Group Terms by Parents. That's all we had to do to define the second search filter. So, click on Publish. Let's go back to the tab where we are editing the archive template. Refresh the page. Now, click on the pencil icon of the first filter and duplicate it so we keep the styling the same. In the Select Filter field, select Protection Type. As you can see, the second filter is ready. Click Publish and go to the live page for the testing. Refresh the page. I checked the Outdoor option and I got the corresponding 4 car covers. Again, you may try any combination of both filters. For example, I am checking the Hatchback option from the Automobile type while I am keeping the Outdoor option in Protection type. This combination gives me the same 4 car covers again, because it happened that those covers were good for hatchbacks as well. Anyway, I don't want to spend too much time on testing, because I have been using the JetEngine smart filters on my production sites and I know they work fine. It's up to you to make any more testing if you want. Let's create another filter. Go back to the dashboard. Click Add New. Type Color as the filter name, the filter label and the active filter label. Select Checkboxes list in the Filter Type field. In Data Source, select Taxonomies. In Taxonomy, select Color. The relational operator should be union. Enable the Group Terms by Parents. Click on Publish. Let's go back to the editing of the archive template. Refresh the page. Now, click on the pencil icon of the Protection Type filter and duplicate it. In the Select Filter field, select Color. Click to publish. Before checking the live page, let's do some more styling. Show, duplicate the car covers, title and move the copy on top of the filters column. We want to change the title, but this was a dynamic title, so click on the little X to remove the archive title. Now, type Filters. Go to the Style section and change the font size to 20. Now, duplicate the divider and move the copy under the filter title. Okay, now this column looks better. Click to update. Go to the live website and refresh the page. As you see, our page now looks nicer and we have 3 filters to use. Let's create another filter, but this time it is going to be of a different type. So, go back to the dashboard, click Add New. Type Price as the filter name, the filter label and the active filter label. Select Range in the Filter Type field. In the Values Prefix field, type the $sign. In the Values Suffix field, type in US dollars. I am going to keep the defaults as to how the numbers appear on screen. In the Minimum and Maximum Value fields, you may type the values you prefer, but there is a better option. In the Get Min-Max Dynamically field, select the option Get from Query Meta Key, so the filter gets the minimum and maximum prices dynamically from database. In Query Variable, just type the word price, which is the slug of the meta field price. Click on Publish. Let's go back to the editing of the archive template. Refresh the page. Search for the range filter. Drag the element on the page at the bottom of the left column. In the Select Filter field, type in Price. In the This Filter For field, select JetEngine. Leave the default values for the other fields. Enable the option Show Filter Label. Click to publish. Let's do some styling on the label. Go to the Style section and click on the label. Click on Typography to make the font size 14 pixels and bold. Okay, I guess it is too small, so I should make it 16 pixels instead. Click to update. Let's see our live website. Our page looks fine, so let's check the price range. I am reducing the price range from $90 to $92. As you can see, the filter works very well. The final filter type I am going to show you right now is the search filter. So let's go back to the dashboard and click to add a new filter. Type Car Cover Search as the filter name, the filter label and the active filter label. Select Search in the Filter Type field. In the Search By field, we have two options. The option Default WordPress Search is the one we want. This option searches pretty much everything inside our custom post. The other option, By Custom Field, from Query Variable, is used if you want to search against a specific field within a custom field. So I keep the Default WordPress Search. Click to publish the filter. Let's go back to the editing of the archive template. Refresh the page. Search for the search filter. Drag and drop it into the top part of the left column. In the Select Filter, type Search, and click on Car Cover Search. Select JetEngine in the This Filter For field. Select Ajax on Typing in the Apply Type field. The minimum number of characters is set at 3, which is fine. Click to publish. Let's see the live page. For testing, I am typing the word weather. As you see, the filter returns car covers with the word weather in the title. Let's search for the word layers now. Again, we get car covers with the word layers in their title. So guys, with that, we have successfully implemented the filtering system on our affiliate listing blog. I am going to add more functionality to our blog in the next couple of videos. I will also make a video showing you how to create affiliate links from Amazon and eBay. So, if you follow the series, you will be able to create your own affiliate listing blog by yourself. Therefore, if you liked this video and you don't want to miss the next 2 to 3 videos showing the progress of this website, don't forget to subscribe and the thumbs up button. Also, leave your comments below. My name is Nick and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Have fun with it till next time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and health.